Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make perfect crispy and chewy chocolate chip cookies step by step. For this recipe, you will need chocolate chips, refined flour, butter, brown sugar, egg, vanilla essence, salt, baking soda. Before we start anything, we'll preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. We'll start by adding room temperature butter in a mixing bowl. Now we'll start creaming the butter a little. Now to this we'll add brown sugar and the white sugar. And mix it good. Now to make this recipe, you really don't need any fancy mixer or equipment. Just use any spatula that you have. Now to this we'll add vanilla. Now you don't need to be making this mixture fluffy or anything. Just mix a little and then go ahead and add one egg. So we'll mix the egg in. Now the ingredients and their quantities, you saw it in the beginning of the video and you will also find it in the description box below. Now we'll keep this aside and bring in our flour. Now to the flour, I'm going to add baking soda and a salt. Now we are going to add all this flour in. All flour go in. Now we'll mix it good. Once all the flour is mixed in properly, time to add chocolate chips. Now here I'm using half dark chocolate chips and half milk chocolate chips. You can use whichever you like. Just make sure you use it 2 cups, okay? Now I'm going to leave some behind to put it on the top. And mix all that in. Our cookie dough is ready. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Line a baking pan with the parchment paper and onto this I'm going to scoop the cookie balls. I'm using a medium scooper. This is not what I'm going to bake it on. I'm going to scoop all the cookie balls and put it in the refrigerator or freezer until the butter solidifies, and after that I will bake it or freeze it. Now I'm going to put this chocolate chips that I left behind on each, a couple like that. Our cookie balls are ready. I'm going to put this in the freezer until they solidify. Our cookie dough balls were in the freezer for 10 minutes. They are hard from the outside but they are still soft from the inside. That's perfect. Now what I'm going to do is put some in the Ziploc bag and I'm going to save this for later in the freezer, and some I will bake it for now. This way you can have freshly baked cookies any day, anytime. Arrange the cookie dough with some distance between, they're going to expand. Now whenever you're going to bake the frozen one, you don't need to thaw them out or anything, just directly put it on the pan that you will be baking in and it's ready to go in the oven. It's that easy. Now these are ready to go in the oven. I'm going to put it for 13 to 14 minutes or until the edge is golden brown, okay? I just got the cookies out of the oven. Now the way you will tell the cookies are ready or not is when you see the golden ring around it, that means the cookies are ready to eat. Now if you like it more crispier cookies, you can add couple more minutes, then the cookie will be completely golden and that's when it will be crunchy. Now I'm going to cool down these cookies on a same pan for a few minutes and after that I'm going to transfer it onto the rack. Now you don't want to directly transfer it right now because these are really hot and while you're transferring they will break. So keep it on the same pan for a few minutes and after that we'll transfer it on the rack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.